Okay, the first thing you want to do when you get to a U-turn machine is you want to put all of your coin mechanisms in their rightful place. Okay, so if it's turned this way, you want to turn it back. And someone is saying that this vending machine is not working on this head right here. So we're going to fix that one. Not there, this one here. Comes with a little gasket to keep the coins, because you have a slot here, and it will keep the coins from transferring into the candy head. These pop out pretty simply. Someone put tape on this one, so this one didn't look like it's coming out very easily, but it does. There's tape on there. Okay, we'll check that out. We'll find out what's wrong with that one. We'll put that aside and we'll do that last. Okay. You have a little star cross or a cross that sits in there. And here are the coins. They're in little boxes. About $20 right there. That's probably about 9 or 8 right there. After a while, you can tell by the way it feels. This is probably about 8. And about 11 here. You want to make sure you put your boxes back in, because you will end up leaving them out, perhaps on the counter or on a shelf, and they will get thrown away. And this part pops up. This part pops up really easily. You can just grab 4 at a time like that. And again, there's 2 of these. This one has to come up, and this one has a cut, so it can just slide right out. There's $1, 50 cents, another $1. And that's about $5 or $6 right there. So all in all, I'd say I have about $50, $60 for 30 days on this location. Get the cross back in first, the one that's cut out. And on these, they have a rounded edge here, a rounded corner, so it's easy to see where it goes. You want all of the corners to be rounded. Okay. All of this is flush on these edges here. These tubs are really good. These M&M tubs are great with other candies inside. There's a little washer here. You want to be real careful with it. You don't want to pop it off. It will pop off, and it's very small. It's easy to lose. Make sure you put the cross back on top. Put this tape off. I'm not really sure which point mechanism is jammed, but I will check that real quick. Make sure they all work. All right, that one works. That point mechanism works. Keep going. That one works. Well, that one didn't spit a coin out, so I don't know what's going on there. That one just spit out 2 coins. But this coin mechanism does work. I don't know why it was holding one of them. Let me try it again. Okay, that one works. And we'll try the last one. And that one works. So what we need to do is we need to check the gear on this one here. You check the gear and make sure all the teeth are here. And so far it does look like all of the teeth are there. And one way you can check it is just spin the whole thing around in a circle. And when you get 3 groups of candy spit out, then you know it works. So we know this works. I don't know why I'm hearing complaints about this machine. More tape. So in this one we have peanut M&Ms, and this one we have a combination of peanut and plain M&Ms. So as you can see, you get your peanut M&Ms and your plain M&Ms, and in between I'm going to put the peanut and plain right in there. We put the lid on, and we're finished. Lid is not connecting, I don't think. I'm waiting for it to connect. Okay, now it feels tight. Okay, we're ready to get out of here. On to the next location.